Our leather library, sourced from the world's premium tanneries, Horsehide, Cowhide, Goatskin, Shearling. From Italy, the United States, to Australia, we handpick every hide for quality, texture, and consistency. Thousands of leader in stock, ready for production. We test the leather by hand, bending, folding, rubbing, simulating years of wear in seconds. This is how we check for durability, softness, and elasticity. Now step into our finished garment warehouse, over 10,000 pieces leather jackets, shearling coats, and more. Ranging from classic biker to modern minimalist, in every color you can imagine, each piece inspected, tagged, and ready to ship. Whether you're looking for the perfect jacket for yourself or building a collection for your brand, we have the variety, the quality, and the capacity to deliver. This is Jiashi Leather, built on craft, stocked for you.